In this video, you will learn how to set up OpenClaw skills and use it as an AI assistant. First, you need to visit ClawHub, where you can find a lot of skills. You can also search on Google for OpenClaw Skills GitHub to explore more options. Now, I'm going to visit Voltigent, where you can find some awesome OpenClaw skills. Scroll down, and you will see different categories of skills. From here, you can choose any skill you want to use. Now, I want to install the Google Calendar skill. Click on it. You can install it using the OpenClaw CLI or through the chatbot. I will choose to install it using the chatbot. Copy this link, paste it into the OpenClaw chatbot, and type "Install this skill." Yes, the skill has been installed successfully. Now, I want to install another skill from ClawHub. Go to the skills list and search for Video Summary. Click on it. This video summarizer helps by taking a video link and giving you a full summary, which saves a lot of time. To install it, go to the OpenClaw chatbot and type "Install OpenClaw Video Summary, Video Summary." Wait a few seconds. Yes, it has been successfully installed. To get the best results from these skills, you should use a paid LLM model. Choose the one that works best for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.